on the street, chance on Wazobia TV, channel 195. If you just touch like, if you just touch the die, make you not try and come out your hand. If you touch on the TV, go choke you. Still on the matter on street, chance on Wazobia TV. The question when I'm true for street today, the question are like this. As a man, what you don't like about women, generally? What you don't like about women? Just simple question. I know so many people get so many ideas, so many. I know, so many people. But as a woman, what you don't like about man? Who just talk? Who just freestyle? I call them freestyle, you know? Who just freestyle, you know that kind of thing. What you don't really like about women and what you don't really like about man? As a man and as a woman. Channel 195, start time. Hey! Oh my, you about it now? How far? If you speak pidgin, Abi, confirm pidgin. As today, now what you know they like about women?
Nothing when I don't like.
Like what?
Nah, anything I like.
They like everything about women. Yes. Who they are quarrel, who they cause trouble. So you want to turn your life upside down.
You have to put down for women.
You have to put down for women.
Caution yourself.
You go caution yourself. How you go caution yourself? Don't woman go caution yourself.
Oh,
this guy never talk with her 1 year. This guy never talk with her 1 year. My guy, Alpha, what you not like about women?
I don't like the woman where they do like anything. The woman where they do person we know. I want the woman make put down. I like her.
But you don't cool down, and you be cool down person.
Why?
You be cool-headed person.
Why? Me I cool down person.
See your voice now, my
That no me anything. That one no me anything. That one no me.
Alright, still on the matter on straight chance on Wazobia TV. Back it there. I tell you, still on the matter. Have fun and good afternoon. Now for me, just relax, we'll talk. Nobody they carry you. Forget it, we'll talk. How far are you there? Wazobia TV, now pidgin English, feel free, freestyle. I know they want English. If you speak English, why I didn't go verse for you. And then they like Oyibo English, and they like them. So just speak pidgin for me. God bless you. As today like this, what you know they like about me?
Lies.
Lies, I mean.
Yes.
But you did not they talk lies.
I they lie sometimes.
You they lie sometimes, I mean. When it's necessary.
Yes.
But if lies all the time, they did necessary. Not tell one guy they say you did for Cotonou now, you did for Nigeria.
No.
I mean, so what you know they like apart from lies, you know?
Dishonesty.
Dishonest.
Yes.
All of them they go down with lies. Apart from that, nothing again.
Humanizing.
Womanizing.
Yes.
Hey, that's a normal thing for Nigeria now. Every man they lie womanize now. That be so. You're not the manizing.
I know they manize.
You're not the manizing. Still on the matter of street chance on Wazobia TV. Back it there. Like saying our last man I go ask now. Madam, good afternoon. How far are you there? Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. How far Wazobia TV? Oh, see how people they run for camera. I don't know why. Why people they run for camera? Mushiwale waso. Mushiwale waso. Mushi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Wazobia TV. I just one question I want to ask you. What you know they like about man?
Man.
Yeah. Oh my God.
About man as well.
What is man generally? What you know they like about them? What is they do?
Nothing, no.
Everything about man you like them?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Man when they carry woman you like them?
Yes, now.
Man when they lie for you like them?
No.
You must get what you know they like about man. So they like man when they thief.
No,
God
forbid.
things now. So what are those things you don't like about men?
I don't like that. Men lie for woman. It's not good. And I like men they caring for woman.
So you they caring?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
I'm making it look camera. Sexy. All right, still on the matter. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bros, good afternoon. Bros, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Wazobia TV.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right. Bros, you go help me out. I want to ask one simple question. But not speak English. Now, pidgin, you go speak for me.
Okay.
As you did like this, what you not like about woman?
Well, I don't like the amount of dressing.
The mode of dressing?
Yeah. Some dress provocatively. So, yeah. And, yeah. So, and therefore, they allow satanic minds in men. So therefore, I don't like their dressing mode. That's number one. Then, secondly, I don't like about women. I don't like them to be. I don't like them to be in authoritative power.
Authoritative power. Because some women they like fuga well.
Exactly.
They like fuga.
Exactly.
I'm on a meeting. Yeah, nothing they happen. Not be so.
Yeah. God made them to be under men. So those are the two things I don't like about women.
Those are the two things.
Yeah.
All right, still on the matter, straight chance. Becky. Now don't hear him, but the guy said, Becky, my house is babe. Whether I could get one or two answers to give me. How far are you there?
Fine.
Now Wazobia TV be this. But I say don't tell where you dey trek. You want you dey sweat, so what did they happen?
Nothing.
Yeah, you dey try me talk with somebody. The person wey gree answer your call, abi, because they shut am. Tell the person what I tell her what I.
I don't be tell her what
Every disappointment is what? A blessing. Now you go receive your blessing. If you disappoint you, one that guy will come, yeah?
It's not guy, yo.
Who?
My friend.
Your friend, now babe, abi.
Yes.
He dey disappoint you now. No why they run things with one guy now. All right, still on the matter. What you did there? As you did like this, what you not like about man?
Ha! Man, hey, I don't be talk.
What you not like? What you not like when some men they do?
As in, they cheat, number one. And then they lie. And they get bad tea for her. Maybe I don't like.
Bad tea. There are too many, abi. Like say the area where you stay and face you. So bad people in the pull out. Abi. All right, still on the matter. But if you talk another thing.
Listen, I don't get another thing.
You don't get another thing to talk. Maybe your brain still dey put. Your brain still dey put. Yeah, let them put.
I don't get another thing.
All right, still on the matter of street chance on Wazobia TV. Becky there. Alpha. Oh, che. Hey, you go talk. Mama, Alpha, now good morning. Alpha. Also, they fear camera. Mama, Alpha, how you doing? Why people they fear camera like this? I don't know. They fear camera. Guy, Alpha. What you not like about women?
Everything about women I like, but sometimes I know they like.
Speak pidgin, my brother.
Now pidgin with the
you don't.
oh show the year.
Now Wazobia, now speak pidgin.
Now they tell you now. I know even sabi English sef.
Okay.
I don't like woman if you say they cheat on man. I don't like woman if you say they do the waka, they come back late in the night. Suppose they has to do one or two things for the husband or for a boyfriend, or if you dey mama house. Suppose at least they do the better side, but you can't like run around, they cheat around or the guy, all that things like that. Woman, you know this straightforward.
You don't like that.
I don't like all this kind of woman.
Okay, that a woman they don't do you before.
Me I get come out to my ass soft. I know my hand no fit break. I know just say
break like go scatter pants.
I come on now. I come up my heart now.
All right, still on the matter of street chance on Wazobia TV. But how fun are you doing? Yeah, what you not like about women?
A lot.
Like what?
Like the pretense.
Pretense.
Yeah. The pretense a lot.
Pretense.
And besides,
If you talk the pretense of pidgin English. Anything you I know they like that.
I don't know how to put it in English.
Woman they do why you when they pretend.
Yeah, when they pretend.
Pretend, not the pretense.
Especially the way they behave. When you are approaching them to meet them. The way
And they like you.
And they like you.
And
They
they
pretend putting you in pressure for you to do more.
Fight more hard.
And sometimes, you know, when men are not that, I'm not that corny. You understand? When they pressure a lady and they discover that he's not responding, so they have to back out.
Okay.
So those are the things. And secondly, women love money a lot.
They love money.
They love money a lot, and majorly money is their issue. Mostly.
Money is always their issue.
It's always their
My
issue.
guy, not be money make you they come up for us.
I know
Not
it's
be money make you
but
slow come out.
the issue about them is that they love money too much.
Too much.
Too much.
You not like money.
I love money, but not to that
I don't
extent.
judge you for that one. All right, still on the matter of straight chance on Wazobia TV. What you not like about woman?
Okay, woman, because you know, say, if somebody go church, you know,
Pidgin English, speak pidgin.
okay. I want a woman to wear a skirt. I don't want a woman to wear a trouser. Yes. So, because that one is not that belong to God. That one is a vanity. So, that is what I don't like. A woman to do it.
Okay.
Understand?
Come, wait till they talk. Not they shout like that. Wait first. Not they shout. If you talk cry, yeah. Wait till you talk.
Me dey leave Okada for Express, they disturb us. We get family. We go chop now.
Now we chop, abi.
And like so it go be now. Me our president, Mr. Buhari. Me pity us. More dey hustle small. More hustle.
So Okada will follow. Me I leave Okada first. Me follow this country like the contest.
No, me dey do our own road for us. Abi Buhari na better person.
Okada dey follow this reality boss dey contest.
More dey contest our na God get our mind. Na God get our mind. We no be get accident. Na God get our mind. No be dem get our mind. Na God.
Okay, wetin you like about woman?
Woman,
wetin dem dey do when you no like?
na this go show me that they do up and down now. Oh, that they use that one, they disturb all woman up and down.
All right, still on the matter, straight chance on Wazobia TV. If you watch one run, leave that guy. That guy, no, they give me what I want. Then they give me what I want. All right, still on the matter. Make it. Bros, you know they go.
Yes, now.
How far now? What you don't like about woman? Sharply.
But shabali.
Quickly. What you don't like about woman?
About woman, I don't like women because they are very wicked people.
Woman, we don't wicked you.
Yeah.
Hey, sorry.
Okay.
Take that. Apart from that one, show that one again. They do the lie.
Yeah, they lie. They can do bad for you. So they're not good for anything.
Yeah, they're not good for anything.
Yes.
You sure you get mama?
Nah,
Your mama no.
I don't know. Bye-bye.
I catch the guy. Woman not good. He say woman not good. When I ask her, say whether I can get mama, should be hook. You don't know yourself. All right, still on the matter on straight hands. Make it. I don't get enough reactions. Enough. But this time I now tell you, say I dey go. Yeah. What's going on? What is going on? Yeah. All right, still on the matter. Now like this, I tell wrap her up. Still on the matter. Not mine. So many things they go on for the Lagos street here. Many people don't know. That man I just demonstrate in anger. You understand? So at the level be that. So go. Make it there.